Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Why I always start out with let's restart. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So you seen in yesterday's video a lot of footage. And when I say a lot of footage, I mean I had a lot of footage. And on top of that, I just want to let you guys know I really did try my hardest to make a video and edit it up. And with me saying that, what I mean is, instead of using my normal software to edit the video up, I figured I'd come up with the Premiere Pro. Here's the thing with Premiere Pro though, I'm no college student, I'm no film editor. I suck at it. Yesterday's video was finished recording in Bedford, so I sat on the footage all day and I made it back to the house. Plugged my SD card into the computer, and immediately when I downloaded Premiere Pro, I knew I was in over my head, guys. So when I say I was in over my head, you don't even know. I was in over my head. I started editing at 3:30 or probably about 3:30 p.m. and I didn't finish editing until 7:25. I have yet to release the video as I'm recording this one. I have to do this run, record this video, and go home to finish editing that video up. And the frustration was real, guys. Like, I've never been so frustrated in my life on anything. I was discouraged. I was everything but happy. So, hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully I get a thumbs up and a couple new subscribers out of that video. Because, in all fairness, I did work my ass off on that video. But, what we're going to do now is we're going to jump out of the truck. We're going to check the fluids. We're going to see just how big of a piece of shit this truck actually is. See if there's any leaks. Yeah, let's get our day started. Today's Tuesday. It's raining like bad. Not bad. It's sprinkling right now. But I might be able to get some sweet shots of the lightning while we cruise around. And, yeah. Hopefully you guys stick around. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's video. And hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Let's get the day started. Let's get our trailers hooked up. And let's get out of Columbus. Get on the road.
You guys ever have those days where you just wake up, look outside, and you could just turn around, go right back inside? Like days where you wake up and there's nothing good outside for anybody? Yeah, today's one of those days. As much as I try to get myself in the mood to work, when it's raining like this, it's no good for anybody.
So we're hooked to the lead box. We've got our dolly spotted in front of a rear box. All we got to do is push them together, get paperwork, and head out. Wish me luck. This truck has 690,000 miles on the dash, and it's a dark and stormy night. So wish me luck. I'm going to hook these up, and next thing you'll see is us heading out the gate. Alright, so I get my paperwork tonight, and the hook card said that my front box was 19,000, but the paperwork they gave me says it weighs 26,000. So I had to run it across the scales just to check the axle weights. There's no way that the trailer weighs 26,000. What it is, it says there's 32 Pro numbers on the trailer, which means they did a split Pro somewhere, and they split in order, but they didn't take it out of the system. So it just looks, in the system, it looks like the order was for 26,000, but in reality, it's 19,000. So we're good to go. All right, well, let's hit the road. We'll see you guys in Bedford. All right, guys. It's a little chilly over here with this rain. So, let's get back to the conversation of this truck, because some things have developed and I'm not feeling too comfortable with what this truck is feeling like. Let me dolly these legs up. That's good enough. Like I was saying, so you seen before I leave Columbus how this garbage truck here, the hood was messed up, the oil was extra dark, antifreeze was low. I think that's all we come to find on it, and I drove my 250 miles here, of course in the rain the whole time, and 10 miles up the road, I got off the highway, cranked the wheel, and immediately thud under the wheel. Like, I could feel it either under my feet or in the steering wheel. Couldn't tell at the time. I pulled in the gate here and I aggressively turned the wheel just so I can kind of get the sense of where the sound and noise is coming from. And it did it every turn. We stopped, and the guy that I got these trailers from, we opened the hood up, started the truck up, and turned the wheel in place. Couldn't get it to replicate it. So I don't know if it was just a fluke or there's something major going on with this truck and it's going to be the death of me. But let me get my paperwork real fast. We'll walk around, kick some tires. By the way, while I was at work, a young gentleman left his number for me to call to go teaming, which means that's good, but that's also bad, because if I team with somebody, I want it to be my old team driver or my brother or like my father. I want somebody that I know really well. I don't want just some random guy that I can't trust, because everybody makes a bad decision every so often. Okay, 539 serial number. That one's correct. I'm hearing a bit of an air leak. Can't really tell where it's coming from. Not that. I'm getting ahead of myself, boys. Got to stump these tires. You always want to make sure that you kind of kick the tires a bit. And you'll know when you get a flat tire. Everybody always asks me, how do you know if it's flat? Oh, you'll know. There'll be give in the tire. Be a little bit of give, and the thud is a little different too. And then this one is 910. All right, serial number good. Lights good in the back. Whew. I'm exhausted, guys. Yeah, you'll definitely hear a difference in the thuds. That one's good. Yeah, looks like they're all good. Well, guys, it's one of them days. It just rained. It's still raining. It's not currently sprinkling, but you look around. We still got remnants of some snow. That's how deep it was here. And if you look at the pavement, you clearly tell it's still damp as shit out here. I'm gonna go ahead and treat this video like I did yesterday's video. We'll call this the video, because you've already seen what I drove through yesterday and today. It seems counterintuitive to drive here and then drive back in one day and videotape both trips, unless I come across an accident. I always put the camera up on the dash just in case there's something spectacular going on, or something, a truck fire, an accident, traffic. I flip it on and then I'll throw those clips in later. But with how smooth it was getting over here today, it should be just as smooth going back. So with that said, boys and girls, thank you again for stopping in for another video. All my new subscribers, I'm gonna ask you every single time, if you're new and you've never commented on a video, drop a comment down there. Let me know who you are. Let's start a conversation. If you're old, hey, if you're an old subscriber, I mean, drop down in the comment section. Leave the comment, hashtag oldie but goodie. If you're new, hashtag new but goodie. Something goofy like that. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave it off here. Remember, guys, keep the shiny side up, keep the dirty side down, and keep it between the ditches, bitches. Bye. No, that didn't end the video, did it? That's right, Travis, because you started the video with your phone. Because I'm a dingus.